Hi everyone, my name is Michelle McElhaney, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Wick Editor to create animations such as this hot coffee mug, hot cocoa mug actually. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to type in Wick, W-I-C-K, E-D-I-T-O-R, editor. And the first link that pops up should be the one that I want. There is a tutorial here from the makers of Wick Editor if you want to use that. Or if not, you can just click Launch Web Editor in the green button. And here is my project canvas. If you notice, I have all these tools up here that are art tools that you will be able to draw. I've got my copying and pasting and deleting buttons and undo and redo here. And then down here, I'm working in one layer, but these are all going to be my different frames. Okay, and the frames are important because that's what actually makes it come to life. All right, so let's start with a coffee mug, shall we? I'm going to do it red since Valentine's Day is coming up here. And then let me go ahead and create the handle. There we go. And I'm going to fill in with red. And let's see. I'm going to brush on some hearts there. Let's do some pink. There we go. All right. Very nice. Big old heart there. And then let's fill in my heart. And I'm actually going to put some polka dots on as well too, because why not? Oop, undo that button. Undo that stroke, I mean. All right. Excellent. There is my coffee mug. Now, with my coffee, I know that steam is going to be coming from it. It's hot. So let me change this color again to now black. And I'm just going to do some very small beginning lines here that are squiggly. Those will represent my coffee steam. There we go. All right. So what I have here is the very beginning, first frame of my animation. Okay. We're working in frame 1. I'm going to take the cursor button, which is that very first one on the top left, and I'm going to select all of that. Okay. Now up here, the C stands for copy. So I'm going to press copy, and then I'm going to come down and add frame 2. And then right next to copy is paste, like I'm gluing it. There we go. There, I press paste and nice. It is right where it left off on frame 1. I don't want to move it though, because the only thing that I want moving is the steam. I don't want the coffee cup to actually be moving. So now I'm going to come back up to my brush and I'm going to add right where I left off a little bit more steam lines. And again, notice they're just very small marks. Okay, excellent. And I'm going to select the cursor button again. Select everything that I have here. I'm going to press copy. And now I'm going to copy that onto frame 3. There we go. I pasted it. Again, don't move it. All that you're doing is taking the brush and adding little movements to it each time. All right. It's very similar to a stop motion animation. If anybody has done those before, you just make little movements. Taking the cursor again, selecting all of this, pressing copy, going to a 4th frame, pressing paste, and there it is again. Notice each time though, my picture is a little bit different. The animation is growing. Okay, so here we go. Let's add a little bit more. Okay, and select the cursor again. Nice. Copy. This is going to be frame 5 and then paste onto there. All right, last time that I add steam lines, they're still nice and small, not making big movements at all, just little movements. And we'll have that one go that way. All right, excellent. So now if I want to see how it's going, I press this green play button. And there is my animation. Now, that's going a little bit too fast for me. So let me press pause. And I'm going to come up here to the editor settings. It looks like a gear button. And right here, the frame rate, the frames per second is what I want to change. It's automatically going to be set at 12. I want to slow it down a little bit, make the steam look like it's actually rising. So let me make it 8 and let's see what happens. We're going to press apply and then play. Notice it goes much slower this time. Maybe I still want it a little slower than that. Let's go half that and do 4. All right, let's hit apply and play. There we go. That's more of what I'm looking for. So if I wanted to speed it up, I could. If I wanted to slow it down, I absolutely could as well too. Hope you had fun learning how to use Wick Editor today to make your animations. Good luck.